All right, guys. So today I'll be talking about the mistake I made, in my trading. That so I didn't make any mistake. My rules are still as rigid as a rock. I trade once on Thursday, on Wednesday, once on Thursday, once on Friday. So three trades for the week. I'm going to be taking my first trade on Wednesday, which is tomorrow. Now, why did I pick up the camera? I just have to record every day, and this is actually what I need to say today, like my topic. And honestly, I didn't make any mistakes, so I don't even understand the rules of this video. This video is just to meet up with my timeline and my promise. But anyway, stick around. I'm going to do another better one tomorrow during the day, and then probably give you guys a trade recap on what happened by evening. So don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on my next video. You can also spend time with my previous videos. Trust me, they're gonna help you a lot. And I'll catch you on the next one. Go to my weekly market recap and forecast series. Weekly forecast. Like there's a lot of background study of the market there. We're not playing.